LCM and HCF. Sometimes they call HCF as common is common. Do you know the difference between multiple and factor? These results are called, sometimes factors can be called as, it will go till the infinity. Why we have to take a highest? I will explain taking some scales. The factors will be, can you measure a pipe of, but if you use one scale, other one will start with a speed of 6. This is a single line. It's a very lengthy one. LCM can be used in addition of. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 23. Today what we are going to discuss? LCM and HCF. We will see what is the full form of LCM and HCF. LCM means least common multiple. Right? HCF means highest common factor. Sometimes they call HCF as GCD also. That means greatest common divisor. Okay, today I will give you a clear understanding of what is LCM, what is HCF or GCD. Okay, now for our comfort we will mention HCF. Okay, in this we will see step by step. Okay, what is common in both of them? Common is common, right? Now we have multiple here. We have a factor here. Do you know the difference between multiple and factor? We will take two tables, 4 into 1, 4 into 2. $54, $60. Right? These are two tables. These are two tables. Okay. So, what is a multiple? What is a multiple? Multiple means this is the fourth table. Whatever is the result here, you see here, whole result. This everything is called as a multiple. Multiples of 4. These results are called multiples of 6. These results are called multiples. And what are factors? Whenever you take multiple, okay, the ones here, these two are, or 8 if you take 4 and 2, these two are called its factors. You may ask me, only 4 and 2 are multiples of 8, is there anything else? Yes, there are some more things. 8 can be written as 1 into 8 or 2 into 4. Any other way can we write? No. If you take 12, we can write it as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Any more methods? No. Now, what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are factors of 12. These all are factors of 12. These are factors of 8. Now you know what is a multiple and what is a factor as well. Sometimes factors can be called as divisors also. Okay, so highest or greatest both are one and the same. Now there is a least here, there is a highest here. Why you have to take a least here? Why not highest here? And why you have to take only highest here? Why not least? Have you ever thought about it? I will explain you. Okay. Now first of all we will see what is common. What is common? We will find LCM of 4, 6. Why we have to take least? I will show you here. Okay, 4 and 6 I will show you. Now 4 has all these multiples, 6 has all these multiples. We want some common multiples. Here 4 is the multiple. Is there any 4 here? No. Here 8 is the multiple. Is there any 8 here? No. Here 12 is the multiple. Is there any 12? Yes. Here 16 is there. Any 16? No. 20. Any 20? No. 24 is here. 24 also here. 28 is here. There is no 28. 32? No 38. 36. Can anyone tell me that what is the highest common multiple of these two? We can never say, because the list keep increasing until it will go till the infinity. But can we say which is the common multiple? Least one? Yes. What is the least common multiple? 12. That's why we will take least one. Least common multiple, that's why we will take, because we can't say the highest common multiple. And if you take a bigger number, the calculation will be huge. It is easy to find the least one. If you take more numbers, then more common multiple, to find it there is a very tedious process, but there are a couple of methods to calculate that. I will explain you later. Now you understood why we have to take a least one. Now you found the least one. Why we have to take a highest common factor? Now 8 and 12 has some factors. These are 8 factors. These are 12 factors. If you want some common factors, what are the common factors? 1 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor. 4 is a common factor. That's it. Anything else? No. For every number, 1 will be a factor always. If you take here least common factor, answer will always be 1 only. But we should not take like that. We should always find the highest one. Because you know how to define factors. I already explained you how to define factors. And among them, you can take the highest one. Here, what is the highest common factor? 4. Now, if you want to find HCF of, instead of LCM, if you find HCF, the answer will be 4. Now, did you get that? Okay. Now, I will explain taking some scales and make it more practical to you. Okay. If you want to find LCM for two numbers, we will take similar examples. This is how you use the notation 4, 6. HCF of 4, 6. Now, in the previous example, we found LCM of 4, 6 is 12, right? HCF we did not find. We will take an example here. and if you take 6, the factors will be 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. The factors will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now what are the common factors? 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor. Anything else? No. The highest common factor is 2. So the HCF is 2. That means 4 and 6 are scales. Okay, these are scales with which we should be able to measure the pipe of different lengths, 12, and you can measure 24 also. Can you measure a pipe of 10 meters with these scales? No, we will not be, because this 4 length, there is no some other, any other marking. Okay, only 4 length will be there, one more 4 will be somewhere here, and this remaining 2 who will measure? Because this is of length 4 only, there is no 2 marking, there is no 3 marking, there is no 1 marking. When you don't know exactly you should be able to measure that. Then only it will be called as LCM. Okay, minimum pipe length required which can be measured with both scales is its LCM. That means you need minimum 12 meters length in order to get it measured. How do you measure? If you use 4 scale, from here to here 4, again one more 4 and one more 4. If you use 6, then you can use till here 6, one more 6 here. See, exactly they will be able to. This takes 3 times work. This takes 2 times work. Total 5 work you will do. But in case of HCF, you need to find a scale. There are common scales. 1 is a common scale, 2 is a common scale which can measure both pipes here. Pipes will be here and you have to find a scale. Here scales will be given. You have to find minimum pipe length. Okay. Now these are the pipes 4 and 6. This is 4, this is 6. Okay, if you take 2 scale, you can put the scale one time here, one more time here. Total 2 times you can measure. Here one time and one more time, 3 times. Work will be done 5 times. If you use 2 scale, but if you use 1 scale, this 4 length will be counted 4 times and 6 length will be counted with 6 times. Total work will be 10. That's why you have to take the highest scale to calculate the length of the pipe, so that work will be done 5 times. You can't keep counting. You can't count length of the room with a matchstick, right? You need a bigger measurement, which will be common if it is not marked also. Okay, this is a scale, common scale we have to find for 2 pipe length. Okay, and if you take 2 scales, they need a common pipe which they can measure. Where you will use this kind of examples. Okay, this will be used. You might have seen a running race starts from this point and they'll start running. One will start with a speed of 4, other one will start with a speed of 6. Okay, this person will run 4 meters. By that time this person will reach 6 meters. Then again this person will reach 8 meters. Next minute again this person will reach 12. There will be a huge gap between both of them, and by the time this person will reach the starting point, 8-meter wala will be somewhere here, this 4-meter wala. Again he will start running. So the question will be when they meet for the first time. First time at the starting point. This kind of circle problems, or if you want a classroom A and a classroom B, this has 4 members, this has 6 members. How to make them sit in a classroom? If you don't know 2, you will make them sit like this: A, 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 B, 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 B. See, this is a single line. It's a very lengthy one. There will be a lot of waste here in the classroom. You can't make them stand in a single line. If you want to make them sit in a classroom properly, then you can make them sit like this: A and A here. A, A. Classroom A done. Now classroom B. B, 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 B. No one is left out. If you don't follow this HCF, if you want to make them sit in 3, A, A, and then A, A, now B, 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 B. Now 2 places are left. There should not be any places left. They should look very clean. How many rows and minimum number of rows and minimum number of columns we have to use? Then we will use the concept of HCF. And apart from this, LCM can be used in addition of fractions. Okay, there will be a lot of practical application of this LCM and HCF also. I'll explain in later classes. These are just examples where you can use this LCM and HCF. In next classes, I'll teach you how to calculate LCM and how to calculate HCF using different methods. Okay, hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.